Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic lawn care tool that's sure to make your yard work a breeze. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's take a closer look at the Cordless Electric Leaf Blower, a powerful tool designed to make your outdoor cleaning tasks easier than ever. This leaf blower is not just any ordinary blower. It features advanced motor and axial fan technology that truly sets it apart from the competition. With an impressive air output of 580 cubic feet per minute, or CFM, and wind speeds reaching up to 160 miles per hour, this blower is built to tackle even the toughest debris with ease. Whether you're clearing leaves from your patio or dusting off your driveway, this tool has the power you need. One of the standout features of this blower is its dual 4.0 lithium batteries. This means you can easily switch out batteries when one runs low, ensuring that you'll have enough power to finish your job. When operating at low speed, you can expect up to an hour of continuous blowing. Plus, the integrated power indicator light keeps you informed about battery levels and charging status, no more guessing when it's time to plug in. Safety is another significant consideration, and this blower has a built-in safety system that automatically shuts down the motor and battery if they overheat, keeping both the blower and batteries in excellent condition. Weighing in at just 4.2 pounds, this leaf blower is incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. Its ergonomic grip provides excellent traction, allowing for comfortable one-handed operation. This design makes it suitable for anyone, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just someone who wants to tidy up the yard after a windy day. Its versatility means it can be used for various tasks, both indoors and outdoors, making it an excellent addition to your home maintenance tools. Setting up this cordless leaf blower is a breeze. Simply slot in the battery, attach the nozzle, and you're ready to go. No cords to trip over, just pure convenience. The blower offers 3 different speed settings, enabling you to adjust the power based on the task at hand. If you need a little extra reach for those hard-to-get spots, the removable extension tube makes it easy to extend your reach without any fuss. When you open the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: the leaf blower body, a blow tube, an extension nozzle, 221V 4.0 batteries, a charger, and a user manual. And for peace of mind, there's a 12-month warranty included. If you run into any issues, just reach out, and customer service will respond within 24 hours. Before using the leaf blower, it's essential to charge the battery fully for the best experience. This simple step will ensure that you can take full advantage of the blower's capabilities without interruptions. In summary, whether you're tackling leaves in the fall, cleaning up after a storm, or just keeping your outdoor spaces tidy, this cordless electric leaf blower is a powerful ally. Its combination of advanced technology, safety features, and user-friendly design make it a great choice for anyone looking to simplify their lawn care routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.